Okay, I have some vlog ideas for the day, but as of right now, I'm just going to film this intro and ask that you comment if there's anything specific you would like me to do a video on regarding my Chrysler 200, maybe regarding my Jeep Grand Cherokee, or regarding cars that I'm considering buying, or yeah, anything involving cars. If you want me to do a video about it, comment it below, because I don't always know what type of video to make. I just wing it a lot of the time. So let's see what we figure out for today for what to make this vlog about. I am planning on getting a new air filter for the car, which I'll make a video about. I have some cleaning products I want to try on the car, and I'll make videos about those. I'll make a video about my favorite back road I like to go on to just cruise, you know. Hey guys, okay, so Character Driver here with a video that is planned. I know what the video is about now. So what we're going to talk about is a replacement for the Chrysler 200. I covet your thoughts. Put them in the comments below. I've mentioned the Corolla GR on here before. That is one that I would love to get. The problem is I'm not sure how flexible I am with being able to buy a $40,000 car right now. With my wife is going to college, and I'm trying to buy a house. Not like immediately, but you know, I would like to soon. I was trying pretty hard for a while, but with the market the way it is and everything, we didn't get one, and then we're just like, we'll wait. But I am trying to buy a house, so I can't be going too crazy with the cars. But I'm considering my options, as I've told you before, which is why I'm asking you to comment your thoughts. Should I replace the Chrysler with another daily that's a little sportier? Should I try and keep the Chrysler, trade in the Jeep? Won't get a whole lot for it, but it'll be something. And get a different car for the backup car? Should I just buy a whole nother car? That would be crazy. I don't really need 3 cars. I don't drive the Jeep as it is. So really, I should probably trade in the Jeep. But that kind of takes away the possibility of using the Jeep for some kind of work, you know? I had business thoughts, business ideas. I was going to like maybe put a power washer in the back of the Jeep, or a welder or something, you know? So that's kind of where I'm at. Camry TRD would be awesome for if I wanted to replace the 200 with another sedan, you know. Camry TRD would be a cool option. It's a tad bit sporty and pretty exclusive. Like, there's a good number of them, but it's a higher package. It's not base model. That Chrysler 200 is a limited, but that's like one of the cheapest ones. That might be the cheapest one you can get. 4-cylinder, front-wheel drive. It does have remote start, as you've seen. So, what are some other suggestions? Something that I want a newer car. If I'm going to trade my daily in, the Chrysler, I want a newer car, because I don't want to get an older car, go backwards, you know? I want it to be newer, a little more powerful. I would be all right with a manual, but my wife, it's not really her fault. It's that she's never driven a manual, and she's afraid of buying a car for our main mode of transportation and having it be a manual, and then it turns out she's not good at it or can't drive it very well, and it's like, well, now this car's worthless to her. So if she knew how to drive manual already, or if we were buying a backup car that is a manual, then she would be more all right with it. But she doesn't really want a manual for the daily. And that's one thing. So it would be nice if it were not too expensive. So like I could maybe swing a $20,000 loan. I don't really want to, because of her going to school and me saving for a house. But maybe I could go, like, if you can think of something in that range that has those requirements, be sure to comment it below. Anything else? You know, I really like some older cars too. So, like, if I were to trade the Jeep in for something, I'd be cool with getting just something different. It doesn't have to be super fast. It just has to be different. Something I can go to a car meet-in and be like, bet you don't got one of these here already. One thing that comes to mind right away is now don't laugh. You're ready to laugh. A PT Cruiser 2.4 turbo. I know. No, that's like a girly car. No, it's not really a girly car. Come on. No. The thing is, it's the same, well, almost. I think there's slight differences. About the same 2.4 turbo that was in the SRT4 Neons. So it's be kind of cool to have it in like a sleeper body, you know? It doesn't look sporty like the Neon does. So that would be cool, I think. And they're getting harder to find. So you never know, it might be worth money someday. Maybe. I've been getting it. If my coworker watches this, he's gonna be like, "Oh, I told you, them are good." The Civic Si is from, I don't know, like 2008-ish. I've been getting kind of into those, but they're a little more pricey. And I don't know if that would be a good daily. And I think those are all manual. So that would be something that would be a problem. But yeah, I'm kind of starting to think that they look cool. And that's a body style, and they're rare enough that they might be worth more money someday. Like, it might not be a deflationary. Is that the word I'm searching for? I think that is deflationary asset. It might become an inflationary asset worth more. Is it deflationary or inflationary? Okay, anyways, so comment your thoughts below. That's what this video is about. I hope you liked it. I hope you hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you back here for another video some other time. It's been Character Driver. I'm out.